my musa se mami ne ba ne wu ya se ne ba ka ho a even parliament ko ma ho ye ka so bi a odwen a mami odwen enti se me ka kire mami we se onya ne jimi na ga na yanko anim a maye bone mami ja o jimi ne yanko
etimo ka ase maka kire mo se asemba na enipa ba ku mienu miensa bi omunya mfa omu submission ema ya kire se asem no ye yanka nwie ye an ba ku eye twinu Jonas ba ku eye Abronye se asemba na se Abronye na twinu Jonas omu ka omu di amasa that trend enyan twem efa se mo Pusiga MP no can at the floor of parliament abra emansia ewu ye no afi na kwa me bafa Abronye ono se ne obe reply mami o se no obe reply that Pusiga MP that Pusiga MP no obe reply then se Abronye ka chere mami dia bi so wote ya ha o di ti ba ko heje ba eje no di ti ba boche me wan kire wo no kire wadwen ama me e wo comment section ai Penyah block media me so say ni dem over like video no that my subscribe button so na back like notification icon of latest update na be chere wadwen dia ama me e wo comment section me so ba so no share for Penyah bi ahwe eti Wednesday no ana Ghana Armed Force we be o mapunumu for recruitment exercise ama unfortunately for us no we lost 6 souls 6 patriots at a work sports stadium Greater Accra during the recruitment exercise no there was an incident which led to a stampede occasion and as a result of that no we lost 6 prominent ladies in fact 6 productive ladies 6 people who wanted to lay down their life to defend this mother Ghana, this country, to protect this country. We lost them. And on the floor of parliament, the acting defense minister, Honorable Kizatu Forson, made it known to the public and to the house that this is what has happened. Kizatu Forson make this, public announcement. House honomono. Neze ubia era ho emana ubia etre na adwene ewo ho. Na enumu ana ema Pusiga MP. Honorable Ayamba Laadi Obekaya ono na join the ministerial veteran no. Honorable nominee.
Thank you, Chairman. Mr. Nominee, congratulations and I wish you well. Take care of yourself. Bye.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you very much. I proceed to recognize Honorable Jerry Shaib.
MP, Member of Parliament for Honorable nominee, congratulations and bye-bye affairs. Honorable Laadi Ayamba Aye. Now, fancy when it comes to Kano, she has faced a whole lot of backlash on the internet.
Best of my Ghana say, Mamma Famin Samoa, see me can in Niagara. My bombardier and Yushemu, our trusting. And after my Yushemu, I was said in the passage dream. Nami Busa Monse into Quasia de Wo. Nami Yushemuna, we say no, Quasia and Fango. Now, philosophers are Yushemu, theologians are Yushemu, and I face science, Yushemu said Jimmy Yanfango. Then yet Jimmy no Yanhan. At the same time, baby, I will 2 years. A ho and now picky Jimmy, but young will be said, or Jimmy Ewonimu, there be Yame and will be sad. And then, say, of mine, and to me, I'm many year, and the Ekas will be a Jimmy. The onion watch now. I dear now, oh, you know, only in Susan Sua, a deba breno. Enti emfa ho se nipa no ye lecturer emfa ho so ye pastor emfa ho ene the title awo na obi a oye ade a onwene ochina ho no sa nipa no ade we abo no onwene ochina ho enti obi a onwene ochina ho bia no that means sa nipa ni nim nyansa nia odwene ochina no ene obi a odin sisuye e kana brabo ho na me yamfa de atu yen Ghana sisi a eya wirahosem a ya hwere nkwala ensia a omoye mmabawa eye nipa mfun so ana ya tena ase dwen ho se ya de boa wo mo tie Britain for 8 years 10,000 so obi ya na dwen se obekọ army ni mu a tie oman bi o omo mane se sika no ɛna wɔn a ɛwɔ mu dada no nso no wɔn a ɛwɔ mu dada no nso no yɛ ma wɔn obiara no 8,000 we are 10,000 we are 8,000 said they be on betnam one more trust adwen ehunu yie say omo hia enipa say on bebo oman ho ban mi busa say oman ti say Ghana ye hia srafo ena ya Jessica ansana wo de hwe say forms no a ye de memo fra no enipa say na ye de ma won ena forms na omo eton memo fra no omo discuss ne kwan fa aha ahai obi be ka pepepe bibia be ka se da bi na when nyina chi no de eye me ya enra mesuye se enkwara si ahwere wo mo nkwa na wo ma me besiri wa mu a wo oba wo abadaye be gina ka se it has been ordained by God. We ni adia me pese ye free Ghana ya dwen mu ani anhihye mu ojiri yese nyankopon fa nkwala we no aye omoden now meet me dia kokodura ka say this is one of the greater geminology aya adia onipa wo dwene ho a hwo mami musa se mami ne ba ne wu ya se ne ba ka ho a even parliament ko ma ho nti ye kasa obi a odwen a mami odwen enti se me ka kire mami we se onya ne jimi na ga na yanku anim a maye bone mami ja wo jimi ne yanku anim
na uja kwa me ba fa Abronye eso de submission aba na we ene nsem a o ka kire mami
enipa ntia wu na ndisi fo de nam only 6 pe enam so bi na ampi no me di wan grass ama me nsem na mekeka kire ne nefie anwumre de akọ weekends enye papa enti ese me fa na sa ba producer papa bi aka asem bi bone voice na ansa na matoa Pusiga ma me asem no so
nim nyansa na asem bi asine wa amfa adwini nyansa anton na wo kadi misem a yesu de jimi bayi wa no pese oba wa jimi no no etesamo wonu ana mu besi a emfa wo nim nyansa na asem bi asine wa amfa adwini nyansa anton na wo kadi misem a yesu de jimi bayi wa no pese oba wa jimi no no etesamo wonu ana mu besi a emfa wo nim nyansa na asem bi asine wa amfa adwini nyansa anton na wo kadi misem a yesu de jimi bayi wa no pese oba wa jimi no no etesamo wonu ana mu besi a emfa wo nim nyansa na asem bi asine wa amfa adwini nyansa anton na wo kadi misem a yesu de jimi bayi wa no pese oba wa jimi no no etesamo
utie papa ya asem ya ba ya anya force say kroma no wo ye political leader na asemba na say unim dia a wo kan bi sa bye ampi no bye ampi no and so ye da obekwa akogina ho oka asem we no oka asem ya as nsemfo na ankyere buo to the families of the deceased persons, you know. What is saying this crab be ka say asem na ma me kan ye no enkyere buo di ma busua no what is saying this ababeka because sankrofo no enkrofo o madwene wo low key and this failed o de call elections because wo mo hwe o mo so na o ma select o mo ade o mama konti 24 no se mo mfa enti we adwene ben na we wo na hwe appointment committee na NDC timi yi we se onu no nko bisa ampia all back question minister ye vetting no Pusiga ampi we te appointment committee mu etoto nkrofo ano na eduru ba bi ni se brofo no failure o se bye bye oh you there bye bye or we come ni panu wi a o se you there I have nothing to say ne brofo out the parliament ya no eni panu tena se wa appointment committee na o se you there I have nothing to say oh you there bye bye into am friend bye bye ampi na nkwasi ade nkwa not parliament wo na oye na sema okan ye enipa nsia wu imagine say ampipini and make a statement we were parliament ya In Kabana can this be a flyer say yanko demonstration because MPP and Fabuo ama the diseased families. That is how and this year diabolic politics man Ghana politics ya nyansa nim. But one some four muni pakwa kan ye de. Woma ye din and this is yam protecting. And this as a political party. Womo say yam protecting ma me nyini ma. MPP omba ye letter I disassociate. MPP ya brofo kase pa ba kwa ba I disassociate. But na Ghana fo nyina hwe animu say Honorable Mahama Yarga kura as a majority leader. Ebetima condemn sa statement no. Na Ghana fo nyina hwe animu say the Speaker of Parliament ebe condemn sa statement no. Na Ghana fo nyina hwe animu say the government of Ghana ebe issue statement ya condemn because asem yi yasi wo se esese komu wo sada ne de na twi ni wa esese komu ye se komu ti omu fie kura kombewu NDC MP na enipa o kasa se ya na chese onim se ewuo bi wo ha enye wu a o se sa wuo we no eye God divine be na wo wem ewu accident na dia ba enke se ma me na nkasa no okọ school no anything about accident bia na disaster bia no ma me no one track classroom ansuande onim hwe we yeso okọ teacher training college o wie ye na okoye top up or the parliament wa ne brofo apetepete parliament wa say akukọ bini no wonder so mo no eduru ba bia brofo mbe kanti parliament o munsi wo we so ko teacher training ka wie wa ko UCC akoji degree na onu ye lecturer na say yes we ye student ya kono fast pass ye ndie ye wo lecturer na wasema e kono fast pie ye G certificate no ye wo lecturer na wasema ye ti kroma ye nka nokre ye ti kroma na ye nka nokre sa wo hwe brofo a MPC binu mo keka na parliament ne ye ka tro say wo mo ye degree holders na sa wo ye lecturer ese sa do ti wuru ewura kokuo mu a wunni utibiom ko sa ye ningwase sa wo ye lecturer na student no no a na ni omo ye ya wa parliament NDC MPs brofo ye omo keka na parliament mo a mo kire o mo ade ma o nya degree DPA ye no mo hwa o mo a mo mfa mo ti enwura kokuom because certificate no as say I was street so aye de ma manfo na se mo kire o mo ade na o mo brofo nie e na o mo thinking nia adwene kita o mo accident yasi obi negligence obi aye nkwasiade because yeti wai obi betima to car free ne kwana no na car foforo pan eno ne kyerese saada no obewu adena 6 August accident no de na wo wafri antomate parliament wusu eno de na nyame anhyehyɛ sɛ 6 August enipa 8 no mu wu ye de omo no de ye NDC fo no de wanyina parliament make statement say nyankopon ahyehyɛ sɛ that day no ombewu. That is a foolish woman thinking. What you say? 6 August. A nipa mwatria helicopter no kwati toyo muye no. Pusiga ampina nyina ba bia wo Parliament House. Anka say nyankopon na ahyehyɛ sɛ ombewu. Eno de no gina parliament esu because NDC fo wu. That is how NDC fo ye selective. Womo ye selective NDC as a political party. Womo ye nyiyimu. Womo chiche nipam. Where you say 6 August na Pusiga MP ejina parliament esu because NDC fuawu. Eno de nyame anhyehyɛ sɛ saada no na nka womo hyɛ womo dan mu akombewu dabi. Namum emaya womato forms so pe adwuma ye e kwan so womato forms so ba na ya to nsa from so ommra body selection won be wu ya wo se ko mo te wo mu fie kura sa da ne de na nyankopon na yi ato se wo mo ye wo mo hwie nye ye no mbe wu na ye God divine ben say divine say mo ehina mo call ya malam bi ka kire mo say e man sia bewu ama ye divine e de ama NDC party ehina mo call ye nanso achenkwa of Wontumi TV ekoka plane crash no wasem no mo de ne betum mu 2 weeks a remande no TikTok for Marco can be Mudo free Kumasi Betumu 2 weeks. I will plane crash in a while. And ne disaster sima MP and Nansia Pro or ban Nansia Pro no say MP a danger. Okwa Parliament almost in a num can audit Parliament or Obia New York MPs no Kasom one normal coma almost in a num bon can. No na baba kase sada ne de na nka omo ye hwe enye yi sada no na nyame yi asi ho se wo mbewu kwasi ame bisa ne se plane crash ne si ya NDC fo nsia wu ye no o ka sada ne na nyame ayi asi ho ase se ko mbewu o ka sa asem no na besi ne the seat of the government ehun che sa statement ne ye papa no obi de ni right so obi bisa say based on the mamena kano ya NDC ninu ehina mo call ya mo se sama ne wo ne ye divine se NDC MP etimi ka se ma ne wo ye divine sa na nyankopon ahye no se sa da ne de ombewu a obi be bisa mo se ehina mo call ya malam bia ka kire mo se sa ma ne wo no ye divine e de ma NDC se mo ntimi condemn mo asem na mamena kan ya e serious abanye ntimi condemn sa asem no se wo mutu wo mufie kura kombewu ana mama o mantena o mufie angu se munim se o mbetena o mufie na awu a ana na mama o mantena o mufie angu na ot parliament wo waka wafa no wadi producer born voice no.
But I want us to all take solace in the Almighty Allah. There is nothing that happens that doesn't happen at the right time. This is what the Almighty Allah has ordained for them. Today is their day. No matter how, no matter what, no matter who was there, as what, even if we brought all the presidents of the world to sit there as ministers, or whatsoever, once today is ordained for them to die, they will. And this is what has happened. Unless you don't believe in the oneness of God, unless you don't believe in the oneness of the Almighty Allah, it is not anybody who wanted them to die. There is no single officer there who wanted even one single soul to pass. Not even one person hoped and prayed that one person would die there. Let us understand that. If that were the wish of anybody, I haven't seen or thought of that person. Mr. Speaker, I appreciate what you have said. Let us work together. If there are mistakes, let us look into it. I've heard one of my colleagues saying that there are other recruitments to come on. Yes, that is true. It's a very big lesson, and we use the problems that have occurred or the mistakes that would have taken place, and we correct ourselves and forge ahead. We are sitting here, and most probably we might be talking and looking at it politically, with a political lens, but who knows those who have passed? Who knows whether they voted for NDC, MPP, PNC, or even they never voted. But here we are worried. We are not happy because we didn't wish them and we never thought of that. So let us be conscious of that. Let me appreciate the President, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, for putting a halt to the activity. But I want us to all take
Nyansania wo mumu wa parliament no ona asora wa kasa no NDC MPs ni wo nyansa pa parliament ona Ghana for mutie no uko NDC mu a mrahye bedwam ho nyansani pa owo parliament ho a o ka nyansa sem ona mukotie no but 6 August plane crash na de wan kasa ye da nyankopa odeni se esise nipa nwotwe ne wu ande wan kasa ene de yesu but we no ma obi negligence no obi anya na dwuma yie na common sense kire se enipa 21,000 no wodo omo ba a one more time obi a de be bade a assembly because obi a be prese ye be ye ntem na wakwa akofa na bus yakọ ne enti stampede ni si ye ne say obi nim time e duru no so obi ni ba bi obeda wa akra ha e ma na omo ye that is why I see e ma no kwa na wu ye no and obi so kra first time a ode ba akra nie na onim time e be duru no so na ade sana oni ba bi da apart from Osi will be a circle. A VIP na dene ba yes so free Oti region, so free water, so free northern region, Savannah North East, or free Bono East Ahafo, Western, Central, Western North, East in Nebaya, or be first time or the back crown say, Onya must say, report Ewak. Ewak no ko bedra kra obisai. No fa ka koy. Nti osama pentem se time ni so dia onim time ebe duru no so se time we aye time we esese me di ko di lie so dia adentro obi am prese obekom ya screen no amana sebe ya obekọ back ntem no akwa dwane the next bus akọ back to babia ofri bai aye total negligence. Emma obin transe emfa num kankan enyina parliament nkantre ye say eye da bia nyankopon yesi wo say saa da ne de ombewu ntini yenyi saa asem ne ni obi anyi saa asem ne ye nkwase akeka eye asem it doesn't make sense.
Ubeto akire wadwe amame e wo comment section hi Penyah Media.